Go ahead.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you simple step to go from beginner to intermediate level at jumping rope. Last time I showed you the beginner level stuff was how to measure the rope and how to just get to the general feel of doing side to side and stuff like that. Whoops. Well, today I want to show you how to do some simple stuff like alternate feet. Seems easy, but a lot of people have the problem doing alternate foot jumping rope and one-legged jumping rope is because they don't have the stabilizers, strong enough arch, strong enough ankles and shin muscles to keep their foot in the right position. That's why when they go onto one foot, their body collapses, so they always want to prefer jumping on 2 feet. That's why we don't like to have people do that, because we want to develop the strength in the feet. That's why alternate feet is so important. So when you're jumping rope, you want to have one jump, one revolution. And if you struggle going alternate feet, just slowly go side to side as if we were just doing something like this. Okay? And then you're slowly just going to pick up that inside foot so it doesn't touch the ground. Keep going side to side, and then eventually, just like you're running in place, you got your alternate feet down. Practice that forward. Once you get that, practice it backwards, and you're going to greatly improve your jumping rope skills. And then I'll show you some more in step 3, advanced jumping rope. Peace. If you liked that last video, go to monkeybargym.com to learn more. Are you still here? Go to monkeybargym.com to learn more. Peace.
Perfect.